Hello Cloud9 crafters! I have a short video where I show you 3 backgrounds I created using the new distress color Uncharted Mariner. I used the distress Oxide version, but you also have it in regular distress Oxide spray, re-inkers, etc. I used Bristol smooth paper and blending brushes to create these color combinations. If you have trouble ink blending, I definitely recommend this paper along with blending brushes. I never have trouble getting a smooth blend when I use these. Now, let's check out all the combinations and I will catch up with you at the end of the video. So these were the 3 combos. The one with the picked raspberry was a little bit harder to blend, but by going over the colors a few times, you should get it just right. I love this combination and will definitely be using it on a card soon. The blue ones are kinda similar, but the one with the stormy sky is a little more faded and less bright than the salvaged patina one. Now I hope you'll have some fun doing ink blending yourself, and I will see you again very soon. Bye!